In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your CRM with Xero, offering a comprehensive guide to ensure smooth integration between these two essential tools for your business management needs. Let's start by directing our focus to the Xero dashboard, where our journey begins. First, log into your Xero account and head straight to the dashboard. This will serve as your central hub to manage various operations conveniently. Once on the dashboard, look for the Apps section. You'll usually find it in the navigation bar, a dedicated area where you can discover and manage applications that can integrate with Xero. Clicking on Apps will lead us to a broader range of functionalities offered by Xero. Now within the Apps section, locate and click on Open Xero App Store. The Xero App Store is a rich ecosystem, featuring numerous applications that you can integrate with Xero to enhance its capabilities. It's like stepping into a digital marketplace where you'll find tools to fit a variety of business needs. Inside the App Store, you're going to need to find a CRM tool that fits well with your business model. To do this, type CRM into the search bar, which will present you with several CRM options compatible with Xero services. It might seem overwhelming, but entering these keywords will help you narrow your choices down significantly. As you scroll through the search results, you may notice a specific number reference that you should select. In this case, the number 64. Clicking through this option will guide you directly to specific CRM applications that have the desired integration features. Now that we've zeroed in on the right CRM app, it's time to acquire this tool. You'll see an option labeled Get This App. Clicking on this allows you to initiate the installation process. This step is crucial as it sets the wheels in motion for the integration. The next step involves selecting the organization you wish to connect your CRM to. Click on Select an Organization. This allows Xero to establish a direct link to the correct data set within your system, ensuring that all integrations and data flows occur accurately. If prompted, choose Trial from the options available. This is particularly useful if you want to explore how the integration works and identify any issues before committing fully. Lastly, but importantly, Xero will ask for your permission to allow access. Click on Allow Access. Doing so grants the CRM the necessary rights to interface with your data within Xero. This action facilitates seamless communication between both platforms, thus completing the integration process. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully connected your CRM with Xero, paving the way for streamlined business operations and improved data management. Remember, having these systems synchronized can significantly enhance your productivity and give you clear insights into your business performance. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.